it's Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today is Tuesday, so that means it's the YouTubers Nail Art Weekly Stamping Collabs. If you followed me for a while, you knew I do collabs mostly every Tuesday with a bunch of ladies from Facebook. So if you are an active YouTuber and you would like to join in our group, just leave a comment down below and I can definitely add you to our group. So basically we usually do a theme design that has stamping involved. So yeah, so this week's host is My Nail Designs, and the theme is Puzzle Day. Apparently it is National Puzzle Day. I did not know that, but it is today. So we are doing a puzzle themed design. So I don't have an actual puzzle stamping plate, so I'm going to kind of make it work, but we will see how it goes. So I will have everybody's pictures at the very end of the video, as well I will have their links down below in the description box. So be sure to check everyone out. They always do a fabulous job, so definitely check out their channels and subscribe to them. And if you haven't subscribed to me, subscribe to me as well, please. Alright, so let's go ahead and I'm going to show you what is on my nails right now, and let's get into the video. So right now I have a gel polish design on my nails. I first started with my Bio Seaweed Gel Stronger Base 1. So I put one coat of that and cured it. And then I was using this B009 Your Sugar nail polish. It comes in a little pot. And that is what it looks like. So that is what is on my nails. I think I did 2 coats of that just to be completely opaque, but it is pretty opaque as it is. And then I topped it off, oops, wrong one, with Bio Seaweed Gel No Wipe top coat. And then I did this Born Pretty Store powder. It's kind of like a blue gold hollowy sparkly powder over that. And then again I did another coat of my No Wipe top coat. So that is what is on my nails. And the stamping plates today we are going to be using is the Hipster Collection 23 from Muyu London. And then we're going to open up this new stamping plate here. This is the Doodles Collection 05, also from Muyu London. I got these both in my Mani box and I haven't used this one yet. And then we're going to use a bunch of stamping polishes from Born Pretty Store. So I've got this one here. This one is Flower in Sunshine series, and this is Tender. Then I'm using this silver one. I think this one is called Pure. I think it's from the White Knight series. And then we're using this purple one here, and this one is from Autumn Courtyard series, and this is Shannon Macaroons. So we're going to use those 3 to stamp with. Actually going to be my favorite colors today. But yeah, so we're going to go ahead and get into it. So we're going to go ahead and start by peeling off the film of this stamping plate. So I kind of thought I would just do something kind of random. I don't know, because it kind of looks puzzly to me. It's got lots of different patterns, and yeah. So we're going to first start with the silver polish. And I'm going to do, I like this image right here. And then I like that. What else? This one, and there was another one I wanted to do as well. Whatever kind of looks puzzly. That somewhat looks like it. I don't know. Let's keep going and let's see how it goes. and that is the finished nail design. So I think it kind of turned out puzzly. I don't know, what do you think? But yeah, so that is everything. As always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time. Thanks, bye.